birth of that person, that is the date.
मैम आप सबको म्यूट कर दो, बहुत ज्यादा ही वॉइस आ रही है.
Okay, just a second. Okay, just a second. Paragraph about any person in detail, it should be in logical order. हम ऐसे नहीं कह सकते this is the person, he died on this, and then we are telling about his education, and then we are giving the detail of his family background, and then we are writing telling about his birth. No, everything has to be in logical order. Same is regarding the biographical sketch. Biographical sketch. Biographical. You have already known about the term biography and autobiography. Biography, that is the description about the person, and autobiography, that is again the description of the person, and the difference between the two being that one is written by the person himself, the detail of the life history of a person written by the person himself, of the life history of a person written by some other person. So what we will do in this biographical sketch today is we will learn how to write a biographical sketch, as I told you earlier, that we give the detail but in logical order. And then while writing, this is known as biographical sketch. That is, a sketch means a short paragraph describing the person. Okay. Now, while writing this paragraph, there are few things, very few things, which are to be kept in mind. First is the notes which we are provided regarding the person whose biographical sketch we have to write. We have to read that notes first. Second, we have to mention all the details which are given in this note in the paragraph which we are writing. We cannot skip any detail. Is it clear? Next is we have to put the answer, that is the paragraph. The paragraph which we are writing, it should always be written in third person. Is it clear? Why third person? Because I am writing, I am the first person. I am writing about somebody else who is the second person. And if I am telling some information about somebody and writing or saying, then we use third person. So our paragraph should be written in third person, and it can be in present tense or past tense. Obviously, if the person is present, it will be as alive, the present tense, and if he's dead, then it will be in the past tense. Okay. Next is our paragraph, that is the detail which we are writing. It should be in logical order. 7th class, it's my last warning to you all. Keep your videos on and stop playing with your videos. Vanchika, Charvi, Chavi, keep your videos on and stop playing with your videos now. Do you want me to remove you from my class? I will remove you from my class now. It's not a game going on. Now, if I found anybody playing with the videos, everybody sit straight, fold your hands and sit straight. Your books, page number 40, we are on it. So this is what a biographical sketch is all about, which is given in your book also. You can see on page number 40, a biographical sketch is a description of the person's life history, including his or her personal feature, birth, family background, education, professional career, awards and achievements. Then you can come to the points to remember. Kanish, sit straight. Vanchika, you too. Read the notes provided carefully. Write down the personal. Don't write any personal opinion, but include all the notes which are given. Write the answer in third person. Ideas should be put in logical order. And expression should be used, fluency, accuracy. And whenever we complete writing our paragraph, we should always revise our draft. That is our paragraph which we have written. Is it clear? When we look into the example which is given on page number 40, It is a paragraph about the famous Indian cricketer Sachin Tendulkar. Is it clear? I will read out the notes which are provided. This topic is of 4 marks, and I will read out now the notes for you, and then Vanchika will read out the paragraph which is written. Is it clear? I'll read out the notes for you. In 1973, born on April 24 in Mumbai. Okay. Father Ramesh Tendulkar. 84, he gets his first cricket bat. 1987, he makes 664 runs in a school match. In 1987, plays first international test match against Pakistan in November. 1996, become the captain of the Indian cricket team, and scores the highest run in the World Cup. And in 2010, he became the first man to score 200 runs in ODI, that is one day international match, and highest scores in test match and one day international, that is ODI. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, as we begin writing this paragraph, the notes which are provided are in short. They are in very short sentences. We have to frame each note in a complete sentence. We can also add few words and few information regarding the person, but we cannot skip the information or the notes which we are provided. Is it clear? So make it keep this in mind. As Vanchika will read out the paragraph for you all. Everybody has to look into the books clearly. Is it clear?
Ma'am, shall I start?
Just a second.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Let me
the great
see.
Indian cricketer.
Yeah, read.
Sachin Tendulkar. The great Indian cricketer Sachin Tendulkar was born on April 24, 1970 in Mumbai.
Just a second, Vanchika, just a second. See, the first is born on 24th April in Mumbai. So we have started, as we know, this person is a great Indian cricketer. So we have added few words. The great Indian cricketer Sachin Tendulkar was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai. So we have framed a complete sentence out of this information which was given in short. Yeah, you can read on further, Vanchika.
His father's name is Ramesh Tendulkar. When he was 11 years old, he got his first cricket bat. In 1987, he made 664 runs in a school match. He played his first international test match against Pakistan in November 1989. He became the captain of the Indian cricket team in 1996 and scored the highest in the World Cup. He is the world's first batsman who has scored 200 runs in a one-day international match. He is the world's highest scorer both in the test matches and one-day international matches. All the Indians are proud of this legendary player.
Okay, now see, every detailed note which was provided has been made into an elaborate sentence, and we have completed the paragraph, and the word limit is again 50 to 80 words. I hope you, and I know that you all are very good in framing the sentence, right? Is it clear, 7th class? 7th class, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now listen carefully. I will give you a notes right now regarding a person. You all have to write down those notes, and right now only you will make a paragraph out of that notes. This is the work which I will give you. You have to do that work in your copies. Is it clear? And then the next biographical sketch, which is on page number 42 and 43, will be your homework. Is it clear? The biographical sketch on page number 42 and 43 will be your homework, which we will be discussing in the next class. Right now, I will give you the notes, one more example of biographical sketch, which you have to write down in your copies. Is it clear? So start writing. All of you start writing.
Ma'am, wait for 2 minutes.
Write down the question. Write a biographical sketch. Write a...
Ma'am, please wait 2 minutes.
Okay. Mute yourself first of all. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, we have to write this in English grammar copy.
Yeah, you have to write the one which I am giving you in your grammar copies, and the other two which are in the book itself on page number 42 and 43 are to be done in the book itself. Okay. Okay. The question is graphical sketch using the given information. Biographical sketch using the information. The information is name of the person. Write down name of the person, then put a small dash, and then write Indira Gandhi.
Ma'am, repeat.
Name of the person. Dash. Okay. Only few students are with their videos on. Palak and Charvi, Bhumika, Ishika, Kanishk. What about others? Arshit, open your video, beta. Very good. Name of the person, Indira Gandhi. Second, in the second note, you write date and place of birth. Date and place of birth. And place of birth. Put a dash and then write 19 November 1917. 19 November 1917, comma, at Allahabad, 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 Uttar Pradesh. Next, father. Third information is father, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Third information is father. Put a dash and write Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, comma, Pari write beta, comma, a great freedom fighter, comma, a great freedom fighter, and the first Prime Minister of India. And of India. Then the next information is mother. Next information is mother. Yeah. Father, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, a great freedom fighter, and the first Prime Minister of India. Next is mother. Next information is
मैम फ्रीडम फाइटर की बात क्या है?
And the first Prime Minister of India.
मैम 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Next information is mother.
Mother.
Kamala Nehru. Next information is Kamala Nehru.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next information is education.
Ma'am, mother फादर की बात एजुकेशन लिख के
Yeah, it is the next information, education. Okay. Okay. She received her education in. She received. She received her education in Oxford. She received her education in Oxford. Oxford. She received her education in Oxford, Oxford, Oxford bracket, in bracket write London, and then bracket close. You have to write only London in bracket and then write and Shanti Niketan, and Shanti Niketan University of Bengal. You can write down in the bracket University of Bengal. Got it?
मैम निकेतन की स्पेलिंग बता दो.
Niketan, Niketan. Niketan, Niketan. Shanti Niketan in bracket University of Bengal. Next information is marriage. M-A-R-R-I-A-G-E, marriage. Okay, Harshvardhan, are you writing? Harshvardhan? Okay, next is marriage. She got married to Shri. She got married to Shri Firoz Gandhi. To Shri Firoz Gandhi, F-I-R-O-Z, Firoz Gandhi. Firoz Gandhi in the year 1942. In the year 1942. She got married to Firoz Gandhi in the year 1942. She was blessed with B-L-E-S-S-E-D, blessed
मैम
with,
कंटिन्यू करना है.
yeah. Was blessed with two sons. She was blessed with two sons named Rajiv and Sanjay. She was blessed with two sons named Rajiv and Sanjay. Be quick, all of you. It's 10:30. Be quick. Next is information. Political career. POLITICAL. Political career. Yeah.
पेज नंबर रिपीट कर दो.
No, I am not giving these notes from any page number of the book. I am giving these notes from my side, which you have to write down in the copy, okay?
मैम पॉलिटिकल इशू.
Okay.
Political career, you have to write. She became the president of the Congress. Yeah, I am repeating. You can continue from where I am saying, na? You can continue, then I will give you. I'll also send you the PDF, okay? Political career, she became the president of the Congress. President of the Congress party in Congress Party in 1959?
मैम एक बार she became the
President. She became the president of the Congress Party in 1959.
Congress.
Full stop.
Ma'am, 1995.
Full stop. In the year 1964, it is the same information. 1964. In the year 1964, she became in the year 1964 she became a Minister of Information, Information and Broadcasting, BROADCASTING, broadcasting. Okay, full stop. Same paragraph, same heading. She remained the Prime Minister. She remained the Prime Minister of India from
हम ब्रॉडकास्टिंग के आगे क्या है?
full stop. She remained the Prime Minister of India.
हम ब्रॉडकास्टिंग के आगे है.
Sujal, I am telling after that only. She remained the Prime Minister of India from 1966 to 1977. She remained the Prime Minister of India from 1966 to 1977.
Ma'am, 10
and
years.
and 1980 to 1980. Yeah. 1980 to 94. Done.
Yes, ma'am. Bas ek-
And the last line that is information is death. Last information, death is assassinated on assassinated on 31st October 1984. 31st October 1984. Done. This was the last information. I am repeating the last information, that is death, assassinated on 31st October 1984. So
Ma'am,
you have got the
assassinated की बात क्या है?
on assassinated on 31st October 1984.
हम डेथ की बात क्या है?
Sujal, increase your speed of writing. It is death is assassinated on 31st October 1984.
मैम,
Yeah,
एक चीज पूछनी है.
yeah.
पॉलिटिकल करियर की तो फर्स्ट लाइन थी ना, she became the Congress party.
In 19. Yeah. Now 7th class you have been provided, I'll give you 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, you have to write down. I will ask you what you have written. You have to frame the sentence. No, okay, quick. You just have to the sentence and write that in a paragraph. Vishali. Now I will remove that. Start writing. Start writing. Be quick and start writing. I can ask to read and I will see the week. Yes, Palak.
Next page se start karo.
If there is space left on the page, you have to use the same page. And on the heading, what will give heading to paragraph?
Indira Gandhi.
Very good, very good. Start writing. Be quick, all of you.
मैम अब आप स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती वाला करा रहे हो.
I told you na, Sunjan. You write down. Now you have to write. Okay, in your okay, which on page number 42 and 40. Write your work. Your work. Be quick. Be good. Nirbhay is writing. Bhumika Divana is writing. And I cannot see anybody else. Let me see. Pari is writing. Palak is writing. Do you know on the basis of your attendance of your, on the basis of your class work, how you do, how you perform, how you sit, I will be giving you marks out of 5. आप लोग काम नहीं, not give you marks. Chitra. Okay.
मेरे को कुछ पूछना है. मैं जिस कर ली the great cricketer you were Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. You can start from here. A great leader. She was a leader, right? Indira Gandhi, a great leader. Okay, Karthik, Urvashi, Arshid Gupta, Ishika, why are you not opening your video today? What happened? Those who finish writing, they will tell me, ask you to read out, okay? Now your next person here, the next paragraph, goodness to what beautiful. Goodness to what beautiful. I want to repeat myself as I told you that when we are writing a biographical sketch, if the person is dead, we use the past tense. Can you see? And because she is dead, we will use it in the past tense. And as you have read the sketch of such in his life, so we have used the present tense, but we use always the third person. Okay. Your next question is, who was studying hard? Done? Anybody who has written? You just have to frame the sentence. Lavish, have you written? Lavish Kriplani? Unmute yourself, Lavish. Lavish, mute yourself. Ojaswini, Yash Sharma, Karthik Roga. I'm first giving you all opportunity to unmute yourself. Karthik, Yash, Ojaswini and Lavish. Unmute yourself, all of you.
Unmute.
Yeah, Ojaswini, have you written? Karthik,
Yes, ma'am.
are you writing, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have you written any sentences?
मैम पूरे नहीं लिखे मैम लिख रहे हैं.
Okay, be quick, very good. Urvashi, are you writing, Urvashi? Ishika, Kanishk, Varsha, Vaishali and Karthik. He has written, okay. Kanishk, Varsha, Vaishali, Ishika. Are you writing? Now the next question is, where did the two girls? Where did okay. Bhumika, have you written something? How many sentences you have framed, Bhumika? Okay. Now, this time you have to write down the similar meaning. Means you have to write down the synonym of Bhumi. The next question is, write down the synonym of Bhumi. Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Pari, would you like to read yours? Now you have to write down the synonym. In the third question, write down the synonym. Yeah, Pari, you want to read?
Excuse me, ma'am, I've also done.
Very good, Bhumika. Okay, first, Pari, you read yours and then Bhumika will read, okay? Pari, open yourself. Pari, do you want to read, beta? Okay, Bhumika, you read till Pari will get ready for. Okay, you can read, Bhumika.
Indira Gandhi was born on 19 November 1917 in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Her father was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and her mother name is Kamala Nehru. She received her education in Oxford. Yes, ma'am.
You will not write is. Her mother is not Mona. You will not write is. Her mother's name was Kamala Nehru. She was a housewife and. Okay, read it further.
She received her education in Oxford, London and Shanti Niketan University of Bengal. She got married to Shri Firoz Gandhi in the year 1942. She was blessed with two sons, Rajiv and Sanjay Gandhi. Political career, she became the president of Congress Party.
Bhumika, don't write political career. It is only the peace. Okay, yeah.
She became the president of Congress Party 1959 and became the first woman president of India. She assassinated on 31 October 1984.
Okay. Now you have written right, but you are saying become. It's not become. It's became because we are using past tense. Okay. And wherever you have used, she assassinated. You will write. She was assassinated. 1st October 1984. Is it clear? Anybody else would like to read? Very good, Bhumika. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Pari, read it.
She was the first woman Prime Minister of India. She was born on 19 November in the place of Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Her father's name was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was a great leader and her mother's name was Kamala Nehru. She received her education in London, Oxford, Shanti Niketan University of Bangalore. Later on, she got married to Firoz Shah in 1942. He was then blessed with two sons, Rajiv and Sanjay. And after this, she became the president of Congress Party in 1942. And she became First Lady Prime Minister of India from 1963 to 1967. And 1984. After it, she is estimated on 31st October 1984.
Okay, very good. Pari, can you read it once again? Who decided that he would not make anybody unhappy again? The rest is correct. Only you need to make a small change in the last sentence. Okay, Pari. Next, who would like to read? Anybody else? Sujal, have you written? Once again, you have to get. Anybody would like to read? Write down the synonym of unit. Nobody? Write down the synonym of unit. And now, the last question.
Ma'am, time over.
I know, Sujal. Palak, do you want to read? Be quick.
Yes,
you can read.
Abhi complete hua hai mera.
Yeah, just read it fast.
Indira Gandhi, a great leader, Indira Gandhi was born on 19 November 1970 at Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Her father's name was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Bracket में a great freedom fighter and the first Prime Minister of India.
You don't use a bracket when you are giving the information regarding the parents, you don't need to write anything in the paragraph. You have to write it in detail. His father, like you will write, her father Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a great freedom fighter and the first Prime Minister of India. You will write it.
Her mother's name was Kamala Nehru. She received her education in Oxford, in London, and Shanti Niketan, University of Bangalore.
Okay.
In the year 1942, she got married to Sri Firoz Gandhi. She
Okay.
blessed two sons.
He was blessed.